Welcome to Tufts Dining. We've put together some helpful info that will guide you as you explore the many options we offer here on campus. All first-year students living on the Medford-Somerville campus will be assigned to the Tufts Premium Plan, which includes Jumbo Cash. Returning and off-campus students can choose from a flexible menu of plans, all of which can be used with our mobile app. The Tufts Dining app allows our community members to pre-order with their mobile devices. Don't have the app yet? Download it today to view menus, place an order, and receive alerts about limited time offers and special events. We have 9 convenient dining spots here on the Medford-Somerville campus, as well as the SMFA Cafe on the Boston Fenway campus. Not sure where to begin your Tufts Dining food tour? Why not visit one of our 3 most popular locations? Fresh at Carmichael is our primary uphill dining center, located at the residential quad. Here you'll find local, made from scratch, chef-curated dishes that are gluten, peanut, and tree nut free. DeWitt McPhee is our main downhill dining center, an all-you-care-to-eat option featuring the allergen-free platform, All 9 Free, and the new kosher vegan platform, Beans, Greens, and Grains. Hodgdon Food on the Run is also downhill and next to DeWitt McPhee with a convenient customizable menu, including burritos, bowls, falafel, and shawarma using halal meat exclusively. And for those with dietary restrictions, we have a full-time nutritionist on staff to assist you. Whether you're looking to get a coffee or pick up a sandwich to go, we've got you covered. In addition to our larger dining locations, you'll find 4 cafes and markets with ready-made and made-to-order options to fuel you as you continue on your way. Sandwiches from our Glatt Kosher Deli, sushi, and smoothies are just a few of the things you'll find on our menus. Not in a rush? Get your food to go anyway and enjoy eating outside. You'll find plenty of picturesque spots to sit and share a meal with friends. Tufts Dining is committed to sustainable food practices. We carefully monitor how our ingredients are grown and raised, and we partner with local farms to provide the freshest foods with the lowest carbon footprint. We're also actively working to eliminate food waste on campus, an initiative we know is important to our students. We are looking forward to welcoming you in person, to serving great food every day, and to doing our part to bring our campus community together.